In the last episode, we followed the elusive queen of these mangroves, the legendary tigress Boroma, as her silent footsteps disappeared into the dense wilderness of the Sundarbans. As the sun rises over the misty canals and the calls of kingfishers and drongos break the silence, we set out in search of fresh pug marks and the untold secrets of this tidal kingdom. We finally entered the core area of the Sundarbans. Our guide Vikramaditya, a Sundarban legend with decades of tiger trekking wisdom, was carefully scanning the dense Hetalbon jungle through his binoculars. Suddenly, Vikram froze. He saw something just 20 meters away. I gripped the boat's edge, heart pounding, as Vikram scanned methodically from left to right. "Stay still," he whispered. The excitement hit like a tidal surge. Everyone on the boat, who had been sitting tense and silent till now, was suddenly on their feet and eyes locked. Vikram saw the glimpse of the tiger, but before he could bark the order to stop the boat, the tiger melted away. Disappointment mixed with awe rippled through us, cameras still clicking at empty shadows. Three of our group members saw the tiger sitting proud on the muddy bank, but fingers fumbled for shutters, and the boat's momentum betrayed them.
আমরা ক্রস করে গেছি।
Suddenly, Vikram exploded. "Tiger, tiger." Voice raw with urgency, stabbing a finger toward a tight cluster of Hetalbon just 15 meters off the starboard bank. The tiger was sitting impossibly still inside the dense thicket near the water's edge, her massive form absolutely camouflaged among the tangled roots and striped shadows. How had we missed this ghost all this time, drifting right past her domain?
আর আমি যখন দেখেছি একটু ভিতরে বসে আছে আর পুরো দেখা যাচ্ছে, আমি আরামসে দেখা শুরু করেছি, দেখেছি নিচে লাইন পড়ে আছে, সবাই পাগলের মতো তুলছে। আমি বললাম আমি দেখে নেই আগে। ম্যানুয়াল এখানে
ঘুমাচ্ছিল যেটা বলছিলেন না, জাগিয়ে দিয়ে এইখানে একদম এইখানে
করে সামনে বললে কিরম লাগে এটা কিন্তু আজ শুনে বোঝা গেল।
কিরমভাবে
যে কাছাকাছি যে বাঘকে দেখতে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে
মানে বেসিক্যালি আমরা কয়েক ফুট ডিস্টেন্সে আছি, বাট ওকে আমরা স্পট করতে পারছি না। আর ও বেশ বড় সড়ো একটা অ্যানিমেল, তারপরও স্পট করতে পারছি না। আর ও দেখছে আমাদেরকে, আর ও কনস্ট্যান্টলি 3 ঘন্টা ধরে আমাদেরকে দেখে যাচ্ছে। ভাবো লাস্ট 4 আওয়ার্স ধরে কি ও আমাদেরকে স্পট করছে।
আমরা ডাঙ্গা থেকে 30 ফুট আর ওদিকে 50 ফুট এই দুটো ডিস্টেন্স।
হ্যাঁ,
মানুষ তো হেঁটে যখন পড়ে একটা বাঘের 60 ফুট রাস্তা আসতে কোনটা জাম্প লাগে।
দুটো স্টেপ।
2 sightings in 2 days. We were all happy. As our boat sliced through the glassy river, a flash of electric blue caught my eye. A stunning collared kingfisher perched on a low mangrove branch, devouring a small crab it had snatched from the shallows. These kingfishers are pure jewels of the Sundarbans. Sundarban isn't just about tigers. It's a paradise teeming with over 300 avian species. Then we saw a rare sighting of a common kingfisher. In a heartbeat, it plunged into the water like an arrow, dagger bill piercing the water with surgical precision to snatch a silvery fish from the shallows. Sundarbans teems with kingfisher magic. From the bold collared to the lightning fast common we have just witnessed. But the blue-capped kingfisher stands apart, one of the shyest and most breathtaking of them all. A lesser adjutant stork caught our eye next, methodically stalking the muddy bank with deliberate, graceful steps, its massive wings folded like a grey cap, long yellow bill probing the shallows for hidden crabs and fish. Photography in the wild demands relentless energy, and that fuel flows best from great food, especially on these long Sundarban boat safaris where every shutter click battles the elements. Throughout our journey, slicing through mangrove channels, our crew kept the food coming. The taste of Bengal didn't just nourish, they revived us, turning hunger into focus. The Sundarban journey has been nothing short of magical so far. The absolute best I have experienced, because we have crossed paths with some of the most beautiful souls who live and breathe the wild. But before we could whisper our goodbyes to the mangroves, the Sundarbans offered an unforgettable parting gift. A beautiful Brahmini kite perched regally at the perfect vantage on a sunlit root perch, as if staging a farewell portrait just for us. But no Sundarban Odyssey is complete without the primal encounter of the saltwater crocodile, easily 15 feet of armored prehistoric power, and a Bengal monitor lizard crossing a narrow creek in the late light offered the perfect photographic opportunity. As twilight gilded the mangroves, our Sundarban saga closed. From Hitalbon shadows to Brahmini goodbyes, the Queen's realm etched forever in lens and heart.